Are you looking for a DJ controller? In this video, I will show you the best DJ controllers in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the Native Instruments Traktor Control S4 Mk2. The redesigned Traktor Control S4 is the first-class DJ system tailor-made for Traktor to deliver an inspiring DJ experience. The S4 combines a premium 4-channel mixer, built-in 24-bit/96 kHz sound card, an intuitive interface, and Traktor Pro 2 software with remix decks. It's the ideal one-stop package for DJs who want pro features, instant usability, and go-anywhere portability. Now with full, bright, color-coded RGB triggers for cue points, loops, and samples, this controller provides instant visual feedback so you don't have to look up at your computer. It also includes a section dedicated to the remix decks for live remixes and creative layering. The fourth product on the list is the Pioneer DJ DDJ-SB3. We've combined the popular features of the DJ SB3 with our leading SERATO DJ controllers to make learning to DJ more accessible than ever. The ideal tool for beginners looking to hone their skills, this 2-channel controller is easy to navigate, featuring a professional-style layout inspired by our top DDJs range. Master SERATO DJ Lite, then when you're ready, purchase SERATO DJ Pro to progress on the one machine. Transition between tracks with ease thanks to the added FX fade feature, and experiment with scratch effects without using turntables via the new pad scratch function. Co-developed with DJ Jazzy Jeff, this technique adds scratch recordings to tracks at a touch of the performance pads. The third product on the list is the Roland DJ Controller DJ505. The DJ505 is a 2-channel, 4-deck SERATO DJ Pro controller that blends the advanced performance capabilities of SERATO DJ Pro with the legendary sounds and sequencing of Roland's TR-909, TR-808, TR-707, and TR-606 drum machines. The DJ505 gives you the tools to move beyond mixing music to creating beats and rhythms on the fly that sync to your SERATO DJ Pro tracks, enabling the creation of unique transitions, live remixes, beefed-up classic tracks, or your own original music. The DJ505 is a powerful and inspiring instrument that allows unparalleled flexibility to DJ, remix, and produce, empowering exciting new approaches to music performance. The second product on the list is the Pioneer 4CH DJ Controller SERATO DJ Pro. Boost your creativity with the DDJ-SB3 4-channel DJ controller for SERATO DJ Pro. Expanding on the features of our popular DDJ-SB2 controller, the DDJ-SB3 is strong yet portable with a familiar layout and lower latency jog wheels. Loaded with advanced features, this controller is ideal for professional mobile DJs performing at club nights, parties, weddings, and corporate events. Collaborate with MCs, rappers, or singers by plugging in 3 different microphones at once via the 3 mic inputs, then control EQs and apply FX to each. Connect 2 computers at the same time for easy DJ changeovers via the dual USB ports. Coming with free pitch N-Time DJ and SERATO Flip expansion packs, you can stretch, mix, and cut with precision. The first product on the list is the Pioneer DDJ-1000. Make the most of Rekordbox DJ's enhanced new features with our dedicated 4-channel DJ controller. Featuring the professional layout inherited from the flagship NXS2 models, it's the portable, compact solution for performing at parties and events. The DDJ-1000 features all-new high-definition LCD screens on each jog wheel, allowing you to keep your eyes intuitively on the deck. Fluidly select tracks you didn't consider compatible thanks to Rekordbox DJ's new Related Tracks feature. Bring creative flair to performances with 14-beat FX, including 4 new versions, and instantly trigger hot cues, loops, and more with the 16 multicolored performance pads. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.